In a previous video, I showed how to use a line equation to find solutions or points that are on the line. But in this video, I actually want to construct a line equation from some given information. We'll start off with using the slope-intercept form, which is the familiar y equals mx plus b form. And our whole goal here is to find numbers for m and b and just fill those in. And we want to leave y and x as variables. So let's try this first one, letter A, which tells us pretty explicitly here that m is 5 and b is 8. The slope-intercept form says y equals mx plus b. So our whole approach here is going to be to plug in the m of 5 and the b of 8, creating a line equation y equals 5x plus 8. The variables stay as letters, y and x, but the m and the b, since we know their numbers, we want to fill those in. Okay, so how about for b? We'll get y equals 0x plus negative 2. We'd rather simplify that, though, and get y equals negative 2. It should be clear that that is a horizontal line. When the slope is 0, you get a horizontal line. This one says find the equation of a line whose slope is 1. So they're basically telling us let m equal 1. And it goes through the origin. So, okay. What is b then? Let's just graph real quick this line. It goes through the origin, so that's a point on the line. Has a slope of 1. It's going to look like this. All right. Notice that the origin is on the y-axis. It's on both. It's on both the x and y-axis. But it's really critical that this is a y-intercept. It's both a y-intercept and an x-intercept. So since it's a y-intercept, that actually indirectly tells us what the b is. The b is always the second coordinate in a y-intercept. Tells you how high the point is where that line intersects the y-axis. So, what it's telling us is that b is 0. So now we can create our line. It'll be y equals 1x plus 0. If we just want to get that into simplest form, simplify it to y equals x. Now let's find the equation of a line whose slope is 1/2 and goes through the point 0, negative 1. Alright, so here they're telling us m is 1/2 and the y-intercept is 0, negative 1. How do I know it's a y-intercept? Because of the x being 0. Whenever the x is 0, that first coordinate, Then the second coordinate is the b. So b is -1 here. Our final line equation is y equals 1/2 x minus 1.